and in second, senior teachers. And in seniors, there will be 2 awards for male and female. So first of all, we are going to start from primary classes. So I would like to give you one chance to guess who can be. From primary section, nursery to 5th. Can you guess? चलो, बेस्ट टीचर का जो अवार्ड है ये जाएगा कौशल मैम को. Now I would like to call Lisa and Pooja ma'am also.
Wait. Today.